Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove under eye wrinkles, you know, the facial wrinkles around here and your mouth. Okay, this remedy would help you to not only remove the upper eye under eye wrinkle, but it will also help you to remove the darkness around there. Okay, so you have to apply this and give it time, and it's going to just work out just a little time, just a couple of days, and you are going to be seeing a lot of difference. Okay, all right guys, so if you want to know what comprises of my upper eye wrinkle treatment, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button, that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. Alright guys, to treat under eye wrinkles, we're gonna be needing sugar cane. Okay, so in this sugar cane we're gonna be needing the juice. Yeah guys, sugar cane helps in reducing blemishes, it prevents aging and help in keeping the skin hydrated. Okay, it also has alpha hydroxy acids, which are part of the natural constituents of sugarcane juice that help to balance the skin elasticity, and it also serves as a wrinkle treatment. Okay, firstly I'm gonna go crush this sugarcane. I'm gonna go blend it. Okay, that's what I mean, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm done blending the sugar cane, and I'm gonna be scooping and straining out this out. Okay, we need just the liquid. So I'm gonna be straining out, and I'll be getting the juice out of the sugar cane. Alright, so this is the juice, and the next ingredient we're going to be needing avocado. Avocado is rich in fatty acids and is excellent for moisturizing the skin. Avocado contains a lot of vitamin E, which contains potassium. It nourishes and moisturizes the skin. Avocado helps to retain moisture onto the skin, and it fights wrinkles and aging skin, so it definitely leaves your skin looking younger, and it will remove wrinkles. Alright guys, so I have a little cut of this here, so I'm gonna be cutting this out. Alright, so we're just going to be preparing that. Now I would have to be putting in the avocado mix into here, and I'm going to be mashing that. So I'm going to be mashing this. Alright, when I'm done mashing, and I'll be right. Alright, so here is the mashed avocado, and I'm going to be turning that into the sugarcane juice. Okay, the next ingredients we're going to be needing cucumber. Cucumber contains a lot of water, and it also contains ascorbic acids and vitamin C, and also caffeine acid. This helps to sort the skin irritation, and it reduces soreness. It helps to prevent water retention from the skin, so it will help in removing wrinkles from the skin, and it will also help to remove dark circles, eye bags, puffiness, and oily skin. I would also go and blend the cucumber, okay, because I need this cucumber blended. So I'm gonna be cutting it. Alright guys, so I'm not going to be putting water to blend this cucumber because already the cucumber has enough water. So I'm done blending the cucumber, and I'm going to be scooping in just 1 tablespoon of that will be okay because I have enough of the sugarcane juice. And the last ingredients we're going to be needing is almond oil. Almond oil helps to protect the skin from UV radiation damage and helps your skin look smooth, soft, and free of fine lines. The fatty acid helps the skin retain moisture and can heal chapped and irritated skin. So it helps to reduce acne, and it also helps to diminish the appearances of stretch marks, wrinkles, and fine lines. Alright, now I would have to be putting in a little bit of the almond oil, and I'm going to be taking half tablespoon of that. Alright guys, so now I would have to mix and stir. So I'm going to be mixing it really well. Alright guys, so the thing is that you're just going to take this treatment and then you're just going to apply it under your eye and your eye base. Okay, sorry guys, I just have to demonstrate this with the help of my hand. So you have to use this under your eye and on your eye base and your eyelid. It will help you so much in removing wrinkles. Yeah, when you apply it, you have to leave it there for a couple of minutes, just a few minutes, and then when you're done you have to go wash it off. Okay, then you have to store this treatment for a couple of days. For like 5 days it's just going to sit in your refrigerator and intact, nothing is going to happen to it, it's not going to go bad. And after 5 days you have to make a new one. You have to be consistent in those 5 days to apply this, and it's just going to help you removing all of the under eye wrinkles and fine lines and all of that, and you are going to be having a very good result. Okay, so basically guys, those are the ways in which you are going to be removing the upper eye wrinkles and under eye wrinkles and the dark circles. Okay, so you have to use that, and trust me, all those things is just going to go and your face is going to be looking young and beautiful and also glowing. So that's it. If you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye guys. Mwah.